I'm Delia, CEO of Amcor. At Amcor, we are incredibly proud of this new partnership with Michigan State University's School of Packaging. This partnership brings together the industry leader in consumer packaging with the leader in packaging education. Well, the partnership involves Amcor making a $10 million investment in the School of Packaging, and the investment is intended to fund two things. First, an expansion and an upgrade of the physical infrastructure of the School of Packaging, and second, we're going to fund an endowed chair of packaging sustainability, which will help to advance long-term research and develop the next generation of packaging talent. The partnership is such a natural fit. It brings together the global leader in packaging with the preeminent academic institution training the next generation of talent for the packaging industry. Both of us working together in the partnership will help the industry advance in ways that would not have been possible without us coming together. We have dozens of alumni that have worked at Amcor that have come from Michigan State's School of Packaging, and we've got a big presence in the Midwest, especially in Michigan. Together, Amcor and the School of Packaging will embrace the opportunity of sustainable packaging and more responsible packaging through talent, technology, and innovation over the long term.